Good evening, students. In this session, we will discuss about to addition of two decimal number. In video, the microprocessor works on the hexadecimal number series, and now we have to add to a decimal number. So definitely we have an instruction da, that is da. This is used to convert the hexadecimal number in equivalent to decimal number. So what is the function? Let's first be two numbers should be stored in the memory location, and this time the memory location is not defined, so we can consider random memory location. But one thing is notable here, the result should be stored in 2000 of B. This is the mention, so don't worry. So if we talk about our algorithm, here this is the algo where first we initialize the kit, this is start, then next as we have add to two numbers, now first we will store the one number in the memory location, we can consider this randomly, another number will store in another memory location, then add the both number, then the data will be stored in the accumulator. After then this data in accumulator is in hexadecimal number, so we have to convert into equivalent decimal number. So we will use the command DAA. We will see in further slide. Next, the data will store in accumulator, which has been stored from accumulator to memory address given in 200B, and this is the end of program. So let's we see how we will take the program. Here in this program we will consider the memory location is 2009, means the data stored in 2009 has been added to another data stored in 200B of H. Okay, here the 2009 is the memory location which is stored in the HL memory register. You can see HL memory register. Now next command is move a comma m, due to which the data in memory location 2009 will be automatically stored in the accumulator. Now we need the second number. To identify the second number, we increment the content of location. It means the next content will be 200AH. Now add m command is used to add the data of accumulator with the data of 200A of H. Now the data after addition is stored in the accumulator. This data is in hexadecimal number system, so and the program is given to add the two decimal number. So to convert these hexadecimal number in equivalent to decimal number, we will use a command DAA. It means to adjust the decimal number to the equivalent hexadecimal number. Next command is increment of x. Now we need the another memory location to store the result, so we will increment the content of memory location HL register pair. Now after the increment of H, the register pair address will be 200B, obviously. Next, move a comma m. Now the data or result stored in the accumulator will be automatically shifted to the HL register pair address 200B. This is used to store the result. Next command is RST5. We can use HLT to end the program. That is very easy. Thank you.